This presentation provides guidance on the selection and installation of electrostatic precipitators, or ESPs, for the control of grease and smoke. It's also relevant for ESP UV units, which are suitable for controlling grease, smoke, and odor in commercial kitchen ventilation systems. This presentation specifically relates to the ElectroClean ESP series. This has IP55 rated construction for outdoor installation. It's unique in that it offers adjustable airflow direction for flexible installation. It has an optional oil sump, which captures more grease and oil. It's energy efficient with a low pressure drop to reduce energy costs. It has a modular design for seamless integration with Techniclean UV and CarbClean activated carbon modules, and it's compliant with EMAQ, TR19, and BSA DW172. These are UK standards. It's important to read and understand the O&M manual before attempting installation. Equipment must be sized correctly. It must be positioned upstream of UV ozone, activated carbon filters, and the extraction system fan. Equipment must have suitable transitions and be located at least 1 meter away from any bends. And there must be suitable access for service and maintenance. The function of an ESP is to capture grease and smoke particulate. It consists of a pre-filter, which removes large grease particles and tempers the air, an ionizing section, and collector cells for the capture of fine smoke and grease particles. It can also have a post-filter and a UV section. When it comes to sizing of the equipment, the maximum recommended airflow is stated in the product datasheet. Reduce duty up to 80% and use multiple pass configurations for high grease and smoke applications, especially in sensitive areas. When it comes to positioning of the equipment, ESP units for grease and smoke removal must be located upstream of UV ozone, activated carbon filters, and before the extraction system fan. Generally speaking, it's important to achieve particulate removal, i.e. grease and smoke, before gaseous odor removal. ESPs require laminar airflow to function correctly. This is achieved by locating ESPs at least 1 meter from bends and ensuring that correct transitions are in place. Ductwork transitions of 22.5 to 30 degrees support laminar airflow in accordance with UK's DW144. Air velocity through the equipment needs to be 2 to 3 meters per second. If transitions are too short, air will jet stream through the equipment, losing efficiency. If the unit is too close to a bend, airflow will be turbulent, again reducing efficiency. These are some examples of poor installations. We can see that there are no transitions from the ductwork into the units themselves, and the units are located too close to a bend. Other considerations for installation. ESP units and ESP UV units are to be interlocked with airflow to ensure that they switch off when there's no air flowing through the extraction system. The ESP unit is to be installed before the extraction fan, and access for maintenance is required. In the case of the ElectroClean series, 640 millimeters or more access is required for maintenance. Also allow 250 millimeter clearance under the ESP for a drain to be fitted if required, and use a stacking kit where 2 or more units are to be stacked. So in summary, please read and understand the O&M manual before attempting installation. Equipment must be sized correctly. Equipment must be positioned upstream of UV ozone, activated carbon filters, and the extraction system fan. Equipment must have suitable transitions and be located at least 1 meter away from any bends. And there must be suitable access for service and maintenance. Thank you for listening to this presentation. If you need to get in touch, please contact us at plasma-cleanair.com, ask@plasma-cleanair.com, or phone us on 0800 652 3325.